Hey, welcome back guys. Now let's talk about how you can change the battery in this Chevy Traverse key fob here. You don't need any fancy tools, you just need only one battery like this, 2032, and you can find this battery everywhere, and also a small flat screwdriver. And now when you're ready, let's begin with the tutorial. The first thing you need to do is turn the key over like this to the side, and right in this side you see this small button. Now you need to press this button, and when you press it, pull this mechanical key out. Now when you remove the mechanical key over here, turn the fob like this with the buttons facing down, and on this side you see this hole. Now you need to take the mechanical key, insert the tip in this hole right here, and twist and push a little bit, and this way you can very easily separate this fob into two pieces. Now when you separate this fob into two pieces like this, these two pieces, right on this side you see your old dead battery over here. Now take your small flat screwdriver and with the tip insert here or here, it doesn't matter, insert the tip and just push the battery outside. Now when you remove the battery from here, in the same place just insert your new battery like this, and also make sure it's with the negative side facing up or the positive side facing down. So this step here is very important. So this here is the negative side. This is very important. Alright, now when you insert the battery here, take the two pieces again. Make sure you align them perfectly like this, all corners to match perfectly, and snap them together. Now when you snap them together, take the mechanical key again and insert it back in the fob like this. Insert it back in the fob, and right after that, when you insert the mechanical key, right after that, your key will be ready. You don't need to do anything else after that, it will just work fine. Okay guys, I hope you find this video useful and take care.